Hi y'all, this is Michelle, the Southern Shell, and I am here with part 2 of my journal. And I wanted to share with you what I've done with the signatures. So here is what I have done is I used some of the ephemera that I have. I had fussy cut and inked, and I also used some old lace that I inked up with some distressed oxide inks. And so let's see the difference here. So here is where I added some ephemera to the pages. And you can see the inked lace here. And this is an embroidered lace, and I put it on a coffee stained page here. And then you continue through. Another little piece of ephemera up here in the corner. Inked edges to make it look more distressed. Not all the way around, just in certain pieces. So that's the first. And then the second one, we come on through. And here is another ephemera up in the corners, tore, inked, rolled. Another embroidered lace, inked up. Coffee dyed paper, tore and inked. Another piece of ephemera up in the corner there. That's just a regular printed paper. Here's this one's been was tore when it was being coffee stained, so I just went ahead and used that ink. Here is another piece of ephemera on this page. This page I put it in the center because you can still see the lettering there if you look. Where I let it soak in the coffee, you can see the lettering from the paint pan. And then here's some more ephemera. And then, of course, our middle signature, I went ahead and put some of this crinkle ribbon so it can be tied closed when needed. I did a collage background on the other side of this page. It has a corner pocket and another pocket here. Then here's the original signature I had shared with you, the pocket in the center, on the other side, and then the other side of that paper that I created, that collage paper. The pocket down here. And so I put this around here so that when you have any of your ephemera in there, any more tags or other ephemera, you can help keep it closed. And then this would be signature number 4 with the papers. Another piece up at the top. Roll at the bottom, up in the corner. Lace down the side. In the center there, inked, torn. And then the last signature here. Inked around those coffee stains, ephemera down in the corner. This is actually a gray crocheted ribbon, and it's been inked up. Another piece of ephemera with the inked edges. Down here on the bottom, rolled, inked. And that is where I am at this point. So I have some ephemera pieces left that can be put in here, but they will go into that center signature with the tags. I have some tags sitting here. And I have some of this ribbon, once again, this crinkle ribbon, that I can go ahead and kind of lace through. I went with the green, so it kind of stayed with the other greens that we have here. And that way I can pull this on through and get these right back on in that book. And that's what we'll do here. There we go. And look at that. Super easy to do that. It just makes it look so much better. Now guys, remember, I will be giving this journal away to one of my subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. And then if you give me a comment below about this journal, I will be doing a random drawing on all the comments from my subscribers for somebody to actually receive this journal. So if you're interested, like I said, hit that subscribe button and send me a comment below in regards to this journal, and you'll be entered into that drawing. Now, each video will have, I will pull all of them together, but if you do watch and comment on all my videos for this journal, you will have, oh, look at that, pulled it right on through. You will have more opportunity to actually win this journal. So it's not how many times you comment, but if you comment on all of the videos that are related to creating this journal. So I want to thank you all for just supporting me, and as I'm getting back on the bandwagon here, so to say, I am very grateful to be a part of your all's life. Look at me just struggling here. There we go. Let's pull that on up. I am very grateful to be part of your life, part of your day. And just thank you for that. It is never easy to kind of back off of things and then to start over again. It's not like you're starting over again. It's just getting back on that, getting those mojo juices going again, so to say, because it has been just not there. My desires and just what had been happening and going on, just not there. So I'm very grateful that, I'm doing this, because it does, it gives you, when you get up and start doing it, that joy starts coming back, the joy that you get when you're doing something that you love. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this last little bit of ribbon through this tag here, and then we can go ahead and get this on into that center signature in the book, and it will be ready. It'll be ready to use. So let's go ahead and to the center signature. Now we have this here. We also have this here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just kind of put them at the top there. And I might just kind of split it a little bit so that I have some on this side and then some on that side. Now, I went ahead and punched holes in some and put that ribbon in there, and then I did leave some without the hole so that we can actually, you can do what you want with them at that point. So we'll put those right on in there. And then we can close that signature up and give it a nice little tie. And we'll be able to move on to the next step, which may be putting some pockets maybe on the inside cover of the back and front cover before we do the outside. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I do hope you will consider doing so now by hitting that subscribe button. If you want to know when I'm uploading a new video, hit that bell notification, and YouTube should notify you when I'm uploading a new video. Thumbs up for the likes, guys. It does help. Lets me know that you are enjoying what you see, and I will be continuing to pull more out for you. As always, guys, stay safe. God bless, and bye for now.